Guys, I'm going to explain which is real time example, okay, which has been completed during my client work, during my real time projects. I have completed these tasks. So today I'm going to explain how in real time projects, in daily work, I'm going to use these kind of SQL, okay. So hope this is going to help you. For example, identifying duplicates in a table. Okay, this is my requirement which has been given by my client. So how I am going to identify duplicates in a table? So my table name is orders. Okay, as you already know everything. So this is my table name. Okay, let me execute. Select star from the table name. So I'm having, this is the table I'm having, that is a or table information: customer ID, order date, amount. Customer ID is the unique. So what I'm going to do, so I just want to figure it out duplicates data in a table. So how I am going to figure it out duplicate data? For example, first let me write the query. Select, I'm going to write customer ID, okay, and order date, okay, and amount. And here, why I did not take order ID? Order ID is unique, like your roll number in your classroom, okay, so which is not going to consider. So I took the customer ID, order date, and amount. So now I'm going to do, I just want to figure it out duplicate records. So in that case, you have to use count. Count means whether you have to know, right, whether you are two records or three records. In that case, you need to count. So that's why I'm using count function. Star means which is going to count all the rows, including null values. Okay, count. And from table name is orders, right? Orders. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to, so because we are having duplicate, we need to find duplicate records. In that case, we need to use group by clause. Why we are using group by clause? Because we have to figure it out whether we are having duplicate records or not. So we need to combine if duplicate records are in our table. So by using these columns, okay, customer ID, order date, and amount. Let me keep it. Now what I'm going to do? Now I just want to figure it out duplicate records, right? So now here I'm going to use having clause along with aggregation function, which is count. Okay, control C, control V. So again I'm filtering after grouping. Okay, so this is the way you have to use having clause, having, and as well as along with aggregation function count. So I just want to figure it out duplicate records greater than 1. So for example, if I execute this, what is going to happen? So here you can see, you will be able to see customer ID, order date, amount, and count. So count is like, these are the two records which are duplicate. For example, let me execute our original table. This is the 6 records we are having. Out of these 6 records, 4 records are duplicated. Okay, for example, let me execute. Here you can see count of, this is C01 is the 2 records, C02 is the 2 records. Totally 4 records are duplicates, and remaining are uh, unique one. Only 2 records are unique and 4 are the duplicates. Hope you will be able to you understand how to figure it out duplicate records in a table. So for example, this is the one use case we are going to do in the real time projects. For example, I just want to see along with order ID, I want to see duplicate records. Okay, along with this order ID, I want to see duplicate records. Here we are able to see only uh, without order ID, right? So I just want to see along with order ID. In that case, I'm going to use window functions. Okay, like I'm going to use window functions. For example, let me select this query again. So instead of writing control C, control V, okay, by using window functions. Window function. Okay, let me write down. So Yash window functions. functions by using. Okay, so here let me copy paste, Control C, Control V, and now what I'm going to do here, I have selected customer ID, order date, and amount, as well as we want along with order ID, right? Order ID, order ID. So now I'm going to use here window function. Window function is like over class. Over means we are going to filter. We are going to partition by partition by partition. Okay, partition by these columns. Okay, these are the columns. These are the duplicate columns. Okay, let me copy paste. So okay, now what I'm going to do, let me copy paste, close as duplicates. Okay, over partition by customer ID, order ID, amount as duplicates, and from table name is orders. Okay, let me explain the query once again, you will understand. So for example, I have selected all the columns including order ID. I just want to see all the duplicate records along with unique records. So I'm going to give the count, and I'm using window functions on top of these partitions, these columns. I'm using over class. I'm going to consider these columns as a duplicates from the table name. Okay, let me execute. You will be able to understand. Now you will be able to see along with the order ID. You will be able to see all the records. Okay, without breaking the rows. So for example, here you can see these are the duplicate records. For example, 1012, 105. These four records are duplicates. That's why it was showing like a number 2. So only four order ID 4 and 6 is only unique records. That's why it was showing only 1. Okay, hope you understand. By using window functions, you will be able to see along with order ID. So when you are going to use this query, when you are going to use this first query, is all depends upon the requirement. As per the business requirement, you have to write down. So if you want to see the summary of the data, you can use group by plus having clause. Okay, just to identify, for example, any duplicate records you want to see, just use group by having clause. If you want to see detailed analysis along with row by row, like without losing order ID, you can use window functions. Okay, for example, if you want another level also, you can use. For example, there are multiple levels. For example, if you want to see only these records, only these duplicate records, ignoring these two also, you can write down query. Okay, so hope this video is helps to you, and we will meet with the, in that case, how you are going to write down. Just simple, guys. So let me copy paste this query. So Control C, Control V. Okay, so now I'm going to select star from, and here I'm going to paste the query. Okay, let me minimize so that you can understand. And here I'm closing this window, and where duplicates greater than 1. If I run this query, let me run this. Okay, now every variable must has its own alias. Okay, now let me keep it as a here m alias. Now let me run this query. Now you will be able to see only duplicate values, right? Here you can see. If you want along with duplicate values, along with unique records, just by using window functions, you can use this query. Okay, like if you want to duplicate values, only duplicate values, instead of the select star from this, instead of this table name you have to use this whole query. Okay, you will be able to do it. Now I'm able to fetch only duplicate records. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. So by using case statement, okay, how to find duplicate values by using case statement. Let's see. So let me copy paste instead of manually writing everything. Control C, Control V, and come over here, paste it here. And now what I'm going to do, here I'm going to use case statement. Okay, case when count star over uh, partition by sorry, spelling mistake, let me go back. Partition by these columns, right? Let me remove this partition by case statement, order id, customer id, order date, amount, case when count, okay, over partition by these columns. So what I'm trying to do, I'm using the by using the case statement, I'm trying to say, okay, how to easily find out duplicate values. Okay, when I'm executed, you will understand. So let me show you. Amount, uh, close greater than 1, then it should be duplicate, right? Else it has to be else it has to be unique. Okay, nice. Let me keep it as a good indentation. Okay, then this or else this, and end as, so I'm completing the case statement. End as row number. Okay, row number from table name orders. If I execute this, what I'm going to what is going to happen, which is going to show you whatever the records are duplicate, whatever the records are unique. This is another way by using the case statement. Okay, we have seen by using window functions as well as case statement. Now I'm going to show you by using row number. Okay, this is the last one. By using uh, using row number, I'm going to show you how to find duplicate values. Duplicate values. Let me show you. Copy paste, select. Okay, Control C, Control V, most powerful tool, and amount. Now I'm trying to show you by using row number. Row number over, so over here, partition by okay, partition by these columns. Okay, what I'm trying to say, by using the row number, how you are going to figure it out. Duplicate values and unique values by giving the number. Okay, so after executing this query, you will understand. Just observe the table, how table is keep on changing by using the different queries. Okay, so now let me try to do it. Row number over partition by these columns. What should I do next? Customer ID, customer date, row number over partition by customer ID, order date. Now what I am trying to do, I am trying to partition by select the customer order id amount over duplicates unique. I'm trying to keep, okay, row number, close this bracket, greater than 1. No, actually here what I'm trying to do, order by, order by, I just want to keep it order by order id so that we can figure it out. Row number, which records are duplicate, which records are unique. Order by order id, okay, as row number, okay, row number from orders table. Okay, let me execute. Now you will see, for example, so how many duplicate records are there? So four duplicate records are there, two duplicate records are there. For example, this is the first one, is the, this is the unique record, so which is going to give you the first original row number, that is the unique record. The duplicate one of the first record is, this is the second one, so which is going to show you row number second. That's why this is a duplicate record. Another duplicate record is, this is the another duplicate records. Okay, if you remove these two duplicate records, you are going to get only unique records, which are four unique records. Okay, this is the this, by using the row number also you are able to figure it out, duplicate records. The first one is the unique and second one is a duplicate. The first one is the unique and second one is the duplicate. The remaining two is the unique one. So now you will be able to understand by using row number how you figure it out, duplicate values, and by using case statement also. Like, let me run this, just wait. Okay, where is that? Case statement, right? This is the case statement. By using case statement also, you have understood. Okay, like these are the duplicate records, this is the unique record. Okay, and we have learned by using row number, window functions, as well as okay, by using row number, window functions, case statement. Okay, window